Real deal, uncovered. Unlocking English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that you might have come across, real deal. Ever wondered what it means? Stick with us to find out. The phrase, real deal, can be traced back to old expressions related to fairness in trade. In the past, a deal often referred to a transaction, especially when trading cards or goods. So, the real deal meant something authentic, fair, and legitimate. In contemporary English, when we say something or someone is the real deal, we mean they are genuine or authentic. It implies that the person or thing is not fake or counterfeit but is the true representation of what they claim to be. Examples: 1. This diamond necklace is the real deal. It's not a cheap imitation. 2. She's not just pretending to be a professional singer. She's the real deal. To truly grasp any phrase, it's always helpful to see it in action. Let's go through some examples. 1. After trying so many brands, I finally found the real deal. This coffee tastes amazing. 2. If you're looking for an authentic Italian pizza experience, this restaurant is the real deal. 3. I've met many motivational speakers, but he is the real deal. His words genuinely inspire. So there you have it. Next time you hear or read the phrase, real deal, you'll know exactly what it means. It's a fun and expressive way to convey authenticity. We hope you found this video enlightening. Keep exploring the fascinating world of English phrases, and until next time, happy learning!